Good morning. 7:30 in the morning, and we're just setting off. We stayed here just opposite the lock last night. We're about 6 hours away, I think, from Shakespeare-ish. We have to stop and get coffee and stuff at some point because Katrina's not very awake. But yeah, we're just going to untie now. I'm literally just at the bow line, just here. I'm just going to untie the bow line and then we'll get going. Weather today is looking a bit drizzly, so I'm hoping we can get there before. Well, I'm hoping it doesn't rain that much. We'll see.
We decided to leave early in the morning, as we know that rain is forecast in the afternoon. After slipping the lines, we continue our cruise north, passing the little village of Cleeve Prior. We also passed the Abbots Salford holiday park. There's some nice looking holiday homes there, but I must say I much prefer the boat. And before long, it's time to tackle the first lock of the day.
And we're in another lock. And we're just approaching the edge of Bidford-on-Avon. Jenny's was just at Bidford. We're coming up to Bidford.
Thank goodness for that.
Why is that?
We need coffee. What?
We're not getting coffee, I said.
No, we are getting coffee. Otherwise I'm on strike.
You can't strike halfway through a trip.
I can. If you don't give me coffee, you don't let me have coffee, then you're on strike.
I suppose we better be stopping at a cafe then. All moored up in Bidford. I've now got to go off into town and get Katrina a coffee. I have the goods, so hopefully my crew won't rebel against me and we can make it to Shakespeare Marina. Now I've got what they need. And back at the old vessel now with the goods. See if the skip's going to be happy. She should be.
Thank you. Wow. What is it? Muffin.
It's a blueberry and almond muffin.
Oh, yum. Thank you very much.
With your coffee.
Thank you.
Right, Skip's got a payment and we're just going to leave Bidford-on-Avon. We've got to go through the right hand arch. We've got to go through that one there.
Well, it's not.
Because it's quite shallow.
Right, is it?
It's hard, well, it's left if you're going the other way, I suppose, or right if you're going this way.
Right, but it's not. There's another one to the right, right?
Oh, it's not the most right, no. But it's indicated by two big obvious blue sign, so I want to go with that one. I think that's a good one to go for.
There's a sandbank after that one.
Well, there's loads of stuff on. When I was walking over the bridge, I was looking down, and A, it looks really shallow, and B, there's lots of obstructions in the water. So we'll take this hole, we'll take this arch. How's your coffee with your almond milk?
Hot.
Surprise, surprise.
I don't know.
Loads of them, see?
I remember last time we came here, there were kids swimming.
Yeah, there were. Right. Onwards and upwards. Let's go.
After a quick pit stop in Bidford-on-Avon to grab some coffee and breakfast, we continue eastbound along the River Avon towards the small village of Barton. It isn't long until we reach the next lock on our journey, which is Billington Lock. And we're just passing Barton moorings. The weather at this time isn't looking too bad. Let's keep our fingers crossed as it stays this way and doesn't start raining on us.
That's really starting to get windy now. Hey, Skip.
I think we took a wrong turning.
It's like we're going up a little stream.
Does not look like the Avon.
I've slowed down a bit. Only because the corners are so blind, and because we've got such a big boat, 70-foot boat, doesn't turn massively quick, doesn't respond massively quickly, and we've got no working horn either, so we can't. So just now our boat tooted coming the other way, and we couldn't reply, so we just slowed down. Oh, come in focus, please. There we go. Look at it though. It's blooming gorgeous. It's lovely. You enjoying it, Skip?
Yes, thank you. Now the coffee's going in.
Now she's got a coffee, she's happy, she's not going to rebel. Mutiny on the narrowboat, yeah. Well, that's not a thing anymore, thankfully. Disaster has been averted.
Looking forward to my muffin.
I don't know where we are. No idea where we are. On a river, still.
Between Bidford and Wellford.
Yeah, between Bidford and Wellford. If you want to look at Google, we're between Bidford and Wellford. And my camera keeps going out of focus, which is really annoying me. Never mind. Here we are at Wellford Lock. We've only got 2 more locks. Just a little bit left to go before we get to Stratford-on-Avon. Probably 2 hours. Bit of a soggy one this morning. Weather's a bit different to what it was yesterday. It's one of the reasons I wanted to cover more miles yesterday, so we had to do less today. But anyway, we've got 1 more lock and then we're there. Shakespeare Marina. About an hour away, I reckon. It's just coming up to midday, so we should be there early afternoon. Well ahead of schedule. Brilliant. Good stuff. Yeah, not doing too much filming because it's too wet. Don't want the camera to get wet and break. See you at the next lock, I suppose.
Is it still raining? Yeah. Are you a little bit soggy? Yeah? You look quite soggy. Do you want to swap? No, are you sure? Okay. See you in a sec. I'm just going to do something. Oh, looking a little bit wet there.
So we're at Luddington Lock. I'm going to go and just close those bottom gates, and then one more. We thought this was the last one, but it's not. There's one more after this, and then Shakespeare.
Shortly after leaving Luddington Lock, the rain persistently got heavier and heavier, meaning we had to stop filming and put the camera kit away. As you can see, we did make it safely to Shakespeare Marina.
I'm a bit soggy, so's Katrina. It's just non-stop rain today. Anyway, the boat has been delivered. Here we are, we're finished. We're just going to get picked up by the lovely Claire here at Shakespeare Marina. She's going to give us a lift back home in about 10 or 15 minutes. So we're just going to grab all of our stuff, and there we are. So thanks for watching. That's something a bit different. It's a bit nice. We were travelling a bit further than we normally would if we travel for ourselves for fun. We only do a few hours cruising a day. Yesterday we did 11 hours, today was 6. Day before that was a good 9 or so. So we were long old days, but still good fun anyway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow along for more adventures. Cheers, bye!